today in Stockholm and Sweden, standing next to the Minister Carl Bildt, who is one of the European visionaries, and man who understands, who knows very well the situation in the Western Balkans and why we have to become member states of the European Union, why that is in our common interest. And today, this is not the usual day for us in Serbia and the people that are living in the Western Balkans. This is a very specific day. Today we are remembering that only 10 years ago we've been in a deep crisis in a mission impossible before democratic changes in Serbia, having so many consequences of the war, few wars that happened on the Balkans during the 1990s. And 10 years after that we are applying for candidate status in the European Union.